Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julie and I'm the creator of Dream Studio Co. I share small business tips, behind the scenes of my candle making process, and fun DIY projects. In today's video, we're diving into Print On Demand and how you can expand your product line with Gelato. They have built the world's largest print on demand network with more than 140 carefully selected production hubs in 32 countries. You get global access, which means you can enter new markets quickly and easily. If you run a small business like I do, you already know how challenging it is to find the time to do everything. We often handle every aspect of the job, between making products, packing orders, marketing, accounting. It's a lot. I've run into this issue recently, and it's been challenging trying to stay consistent and making time to produce my products. That got me thinking about expanding my shop with products that can be made and shipped without physically making the product or purchasing the inventory up front. I decided to try Gelato and explore how it might work for my business. In this video, I'll walk you through my design process and share the samples I ordered. Stick around for an unboxing and a look at the final results. Let's start by connecting Gelato to my Shopify and Etsy store. It's super easy with their one-click integration. First, click on Stores in the left-hand menu. You'll see any stores already connected at the top. My Shopify store is already integrated, so I'll show you how to connect your Etsy store. Scroll down and click Connect. Enter your Etsy email and password, grant access, and that's it. Your store is connected in seconds. From there, click on Add Products to start offering your own customized products right away. Let's start by designing a few products together. I used Canva, but feel free to use any design tool that works for you. You can choose from their elements, upload your own images, or do a mix of both. For the first design, I'm creating a mug. I uploaded some images and rearranged them on the canvas. Adjust the placement until you're happy with the overall look. You can rotate the images, change colors. I also brought in my branding, then added some custom text. Once you're done, export your design and make sure it's at least 300 dpi. That's the resolution recommended by Gelato for the best print quality. I recommend downloading a PDF print file for the highest resolution if you're using Canva. Next, I created a design for a wall art print. Start by setting up your canvas based on the size of the product you want. I wanted to create a print for a coffee station, so I brought in my logo, added fun text, changed up the colors, added a cute image to complete my design. I ended up making a few more designs and saved them all. Now let's head back to Gelato so we can upload and order some product samples. I wanted to try a few of their different poster paper options, so I selected the style I wanted. On the left-hand side, you can select the canvas size you want to sell. Then just drag and drop your design onto the canvas template. You can preview it, save it, or go straight to the mockups. Gelato provides mockup images so you can use on your website to make your listing look more professional. I also plan to take some of my own photos to show what the final physical item actually looks like. Next, continue to the details section. Gelato automatically adds details of some of the product attributes. You can edit the title and description yourself, or you can use their AI description generator, which I found super helpful. Just type in a short description, and it generated a product description that was perfect for getting started. Let's move on to pricing. Here you can set your price based on your target profit margin. Once that's done, click through to review. You'll be able to see delivery regions and then just hit publish. And that's it. Your product will automatically be added to your store. There they are, the HomeBuddy Club wall print, live and ready for purchase. I followed the exact same steps for my mug design. I ordered this mug as a sample and it literally came in 2 days. By using Print On Demand, your customers will get their orders faster. 90% of orders are delivered within just 5 days. You don't touch inventory, you don't pack anything, and you don't have to keep stock on hand. It's also more sustainable. Around 90% of products are printed in the same country they're delivered to. which means fewer emissions and faster delivery time. Thanks to a global production network, your designs get to your customers quicker, no matter where they live. And you can choose from over 150 customizable products. From t-shirts and mugs to tote bags and notebooks, there's really something for every brand. Using gelato is super helpful if you're short on time and still want to expand your product line. If you've been thinking about adding a few new items to your shop, this might be the sign to try Print On Demand. You can stay creative and grow your business without burning out. Click the link in my description box below to get started with gelato and order your samples with 50% off. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see more products from Gelato.